Most of my time.
Gentlewoman reserves. Gentleman from Oklahoma is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I yield myself as much time as I might consume. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Recognized.
I rise in support of H.R. 1716, the Coastal Communities Ocean Acidification Act of 2019. This bill simply directs the Secretary of Commerce to conduct a vulnerability assessment of the impacts of ocean acidification on coastal communities. This assessment would identify those communities most likely to be affected by ocean acidification in the coming years. Once these communities are identified, the assessment would examine the economic impacts of ocean acidification on these communities by directing federal agencies to coordinate with local officials, community stakeholders, and local businesses. Once the assessment is complete, a corresponding report would be made publicly available and would be revised every 7 years. Our nation's coastal communities are dependent on the health of our oceans. A 2014 NOAA study found there were 149,000 ocean-dependent businesses in the United States who employ more than 3 million people in industries such as seafood and tourism. Ocean acidification is a threat to the health and vitality of these communities, and this legislation is a step to assist those communities most directly impacted by this phenomenon. I urge my colleagues to support this bill, and I